Hello friends, Running Kimono here. We are looking at the best toilet paper deals this week right till the 20th of December. We are so close to Christmas and we're just looking for the best deals to stock up both at Walgreens, and we're going to do a little pit stop first off at Walmart because this deal I think just got a little bit better. I did post a YouTube short on Sunday about this and a lot of you were like, absolutely not. But I think a lot of us who coupon or prep, we're somewhat mesmerized by this forever roll. So the one for $29.97 in the Walmart app, free to download and make your own account with the Walmart app. It's $29.97 on a rollback. It used to be $34.97. So $5 of savings right there. You have a $4 Walmart cashback. So it makes 2 months of toilet paper $25.97. Or like $12-ish per month or $3 per week for the big thing of toilet paper and the stand. A lot of us thought it would make a really funny white elephant gift, or if you have some guy or person in your life who's really hard to shop for, and this is the one thing they're always like, I need toilet paper, it would be a fun gift. But if you look at the math of that, of $3 per week, and if you're a single person or if there's two people in the household, this would go a lot further. But Walmart, the app with the Walmart Cash, make sure you have it loaded. I think this isn't the worst deal. Okay, so now we are back at Walgreens, and we are going to be looking at some great little deals. And we are going to be doing some of these curbside and some of them in store. What curbside means is you're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up. If you are doing a deal with a lot of toilet paper or paper towel, go right away to get it. If you are going to just leave it at the store, your order is going to take part of their photo counter, or photo area. So just go get your order ASAP so it's not taking up half the store. Just a courtesy thing. Okay, so the first deal that we're doing is curbside, and what we're going to do is throw in 8 of the Walgreens toilet papers at $5. Alternatively, you could do 4 of the $5 paper towels, or and then 4 of the toilet papers, or just go 8 toilet papers if you can put that many in. We have a $1.50 digital coupon that is a Walgreens coupon that applies to all of them. So you're going to be given $12 off with that $1.50 digital. If you already used the coupon, you would have to go back in your households folder to reload it to your account. So just to show you, using the code GIFT15, you're saving $4.24. And then with that goofy Walgreens coupon, we have $12 of coupons melting off right there. So doing it curbside, you're saving that extra $4.24. So this is one deal I would definitely do curbside. So the overall total for your basket is $40. So $16.24 melting off with all the different savings. So your total is actually $23.76 before tax. So if you were going to be like, I'm going to get $10 back for doing a 40, you're really short from achieving that. So I think this is just the best deal to use. $20 in Walgreens cash if you may have it. Pay the $5.19 and you're getting 8 bags of toilet paper or the paper towel. I know a lot of you are really generous with family this time of the year, where you make little stockpile gifts or you stock a family member up with toilet paper or paper towel. If you have the $20 of Walgreens cash, this is the way to do it, really on the cheap. And the paper is very comparable to Angel Soft or the Sparkle paper towel. It's not the worst. And especially if you have a lot of pets and you need that paper towel, it'll get the job done very swiftly. Okay, the next deal that we're going to look at, the next 3 are all in store. If you might have this, it's been printing when you get any sort of photo order. You just punch in your phone number and it's been printing for the majority of us, a $5 back when you spend $15. So hopefully you have one to use for this transaction if you wanted to stock up on paper. The Bounty Charmin paper products are $8.99, $3 reward when you purchase 3. Plus we have $1 off on the Charmin Ultra Soft, the Essentials, and there's also one for the Essentials toilet paper as well. or a 50 center. So grabbing 3 of these at $8.99 a pop, that's $26.97, $2.50 in digital coupons. You're going to have to go through your account and see what is and is not attaching. Get the cashier to scan your paper booster. You're going to have to pay $24.47 with your debit card. If you might have register rewards to throw in, do it so you're paying a lot less out of pocket. You're getting back a $3 register reward plus $5 back in Walgreens cash for spending $15 to earn back the $5, making it $16.47 for the 3 or $5.49 per unit. If you like the fancier paper, not the worst deal. Remember, if you're using that booster of the $5 back when you spend $15, do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. The next deal that we're looking at, again, we are in store again. We're grabbing 2 of the Brawny Quilted Northern or Angel Soft. You're going to have to get a little mixy match because some of these have dollar digital coupons that are attaching, and they are the fancier line of paper towel toilet paper, especially if you like Brawny and Quilted Northern. Those are 2 fancies. So grabbing 2 of each, that's $13.98. Subtracting $2 digital coupons, you're going to have to root around in your app and see what you may or may not have. Pay $11.98, get back a $3 register reward. It's $8.98 for the 2 or $5.49 per unit. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. If you might have register rewards for Colgate, Crest, whatever you might have, the Tresemme, throw it in so you're paying a lot less out of pocket. One transaction to the next, just a smart way to save a bit of money so it's not a huge out of pocket. Final deal that we're looking at, again, we are still in store. We are using this best friend if you might have it. And this deal is for all of you that love the Scott's 1000. It's a toilet paper that really can go a long ways. It's just single ply, but it's packed really tightly. Buy 2, get back a $3 register reward, and it's on sale for $9.99. I think it's usually closer to $14. Even at Walmart, I think it's like $13 for this 12 count. So, grabbing 2 of these, it's going to be $19.98. Get the cashier to scan your paper booster. Again, if you get a photo print, put in your phone number. Hopefully it prints out for you guys. You would pay that full amount of $19.98. We have no digital coupons for this friend. Get back a $3 register reward plus $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $11.98 for the 2 or $5.99 per toilet paper. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay if you're using the $5 back when you spend $15 booster. But go and make one of these deals happen. I know a lot of you might have a lot of guests, company, family staying over, and when you have like 2-3 times the amount of people in your house, you go through 2-3 times the amount of toilet paper. So just to be just to be prepared, yeah, I would do that. Or if you gift a lot of this, sometimes these most practical gifts are the most meaningful ones. That's it for this video. Catch you guys in the next one. Bye.